Arsenal vs Atletico Madrid, Europa Champions League, semi-final, second leg, 1-0 to the Arsenal, 2-1 in aggregate. We trust the process. The progress pays off. Mikel Arteta's plans, hard work, sometimes silly decisions, all have paid off. Ladies and gentlemen, we are officially in Champions League final after 20 years. Bakayo Saka, Victor Gyökeres, Declan Rice, Gabriel Saliba, our goalkeeper, David Raya. Super Mikel Arteta. You have done it. We are about to win Champions League and mighty English Premier League after 22 years. Champions League for first time ever. Guys, are you ready? This month is our biggest month ever as Arsenal fans. Last month, April was is a what do you call? It was a testing moment. I like our April was testing our our patient. How patient are we? That's why they say, please be patient. You will get your rewards. This is a right time. May of 2026 has come with mercy, what do you call miracles, and full of proud moment, happy moment. City dropping point to Everton. Today we have witnessed the what do you call what was the process our manager has been talking about since. Mikel Arteta has finally come with his secret weapon, which is Marcellus Kelly in midfield. It wasn't easy decision to leave out Zubamendi, but Mikel Arteta, he has full trust in our youngster. Today, Bakayo Saka. I think Bakayo Saka is the only no. Also, Gabriel Martinelli was there, but Bakayo Saka, since Arteta arrived at Arsenal as a manager, Bakayo Saka, he has been there through happy moment, difficult moment, and all what do you call all tough moment, which 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 was from the comments from media, from fans, from our own fans. But they are about to do it. They are about to show us that hard work, patience, and just to keep the head up and work hard. That's what's called work. Work hard, it will pay you off. Finally, Arsenal Football Club are about to have the first ever Champions League trophy. We are in the final. If you saw my last video that I posted, that was my first ever video. I was saying on that video, this was my first video, and we are about to win our first ever Champions League. Is about to come a reality. Today, Arsenal, Mikel Arteta, and all whoever was involved in the team, they have showing that the one the one what do you call, the they were working very hard. Last month it was looking like, yeah, we did it. It happened again. We throw it away. We have been bottle jobs, whatever it is. If you remember, the City fan was drinking empty bottle of Arsenal's empty water bottle, but the only one who knows at the end is Almighty. Guys, I'm so happy. I can't even express my feelings. We are about to see a champ. What do you call it? A Premier League after 22 years. I'm out. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.